This video is on shell and script environments. A shell can be used to manage an environment that includes a set of variables defined by the login program, the system initialization file, and the user initialization files. An environment variable is a dynamic name value that can affect the way running process will behave on a computer. Environment variables are part of the environment in which a process runs. Secure Shell protocol is used for establishing secure remote connections. It is a protocol that replaces insecure protocols like Telnet or Login and FTP. With Secure Shell, you can do numerous things to include setting environment variables. For example, with Secure Shell environment file, you can set variables you want available for remote commands. Then we have PowerShell. This is the most advanced shell available to Windows. PowerShell is commonly used by sysadmins on Windows devices to control each and every aspect of Windows OS. You can run scripts inside of PowerShell, manipulate everything related to Windows OS, and run certain scripts in standalone executable mode as well. Then we have Python, which is a popular scripting language that works across many different operating systems. Python files has .py file extension. Shell variables are also made available to Python scripts. This is well supported across entire industry, primarily because it has the flexibility to do much more things inside the operating system. Then we have OpenSSL, which is a set of utilities and a library that lets you manage SSL and TLS certificates in your operating systems. You can create X.509 certificates if you're establishing a certificate authority within your organization. OpenSSL also includes things like cryptographic libraries that can be used to conduct hashing operations on a variety of hashing methods. You can also use OpenSSL built-in encryption and decryption features. And OpenSSL libraries use environment variables to override the compiled-in default path for various data.